Hello friends, I hope you have watched my previous videos. If not, please watch it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.
For preparing fish curry, I have taken a pan, poured in oil, adding red chilli. Roast this, adding coriander seeds. Roasting this nicely, I am going to grind it to a paste along with coconut and a piece of tamarind. Now let us make the paste. Now let's start preparing the gravy. Take a pan, add oil, mustard seeds, let it splutter, adding curry leaves, onion, roast it. Now the onion has become nice brown. Now let us add the paste which we grinded in the beginning. Now let this paste boil nicely and let the raw flavor go. The gravy has come to a boil. Now adding salt.
Next, I am going to add mackerel fish. It is also known as bangda or even called as bangoda. I have cleaned it thoroughly and now adding the whole fish.
Now let the fish cook in the gravy. Now the fish has got cooked and it is time to serve.
Tasting time! The onion, ginger and green chili which we have added to our gravy gives it a super taste. You can have it with rice. It's so awesome. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.